Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Lovely to see you all again. Happy New Year. Let's get ready to make some money in a calm, relaxed, collective, happy, positive way. And we certainly do feel that way this morning. So really, really excited, ready to rock and roll. How is everybody doing? Let's get straight into the positions, see where we are, and let's have a look. As you can see, we're starting the new year up 0.64. Now, of course, my gains aren't as exaggerated and amplified as before because I don't have any margin anymore, so my position is a lot smaller, but what I have on the screen is mine, my buying power is mine, and let's get ready to go. Here we go, straight into the trades. Here we are. If it's your first time here, click subscribe and ring the bell, let me know you're here. There we go, give us a thumbs up. And also like the video. If you like the video, just tap the like button. It helps us grow the channel, and it shares with more people. That's what it means to like the video. Thank you so much indeed. All right, let's get straight into it and see what we're doing this morning. I'm pretty excited, I'll have to tell you. Today, I'm pretty optimistic. I feel good about everything, and we should be good. We're up 0.69. Now, I overnight had a close look at what was going up, what was going down, and I'm trying to buy. I'm trying to add to my position. I've said to you that I'm going to bring in $2,000 a month into my portfolio. My first money will be coming in about 3 days' time, and it should be somewhere around about $1,000 in the next couple of days. So we're looking forward to that. It'll go into my it will go directly into my Roth IRA. I want to spend the first $7,000 still buying stocks and shares, but I want to do it through my Roth because I get a free 1% gift from Robinhood. So it makes absolute sense to do that. And I've got until April to fill 22's Roth, and then I start 7,000 on the 23 Roth. And that will be stocks that I intend to leave, not looking to scalp trade or whatever. Things like the S&P 500, for example, even Tesla, for example, and then leaving those. So that's the next 14 grand. I know what I'm going to do with it, right? I'm going to buy stocks with it. And I'm going to hold them 5 years minimum. That's my long-term investments, all right? So let's go over to my main portfolio. Let's bring all the comments in from everybody as well. Let me share on the screen my position here. So here we go. Here is my portfolio, right? We're at 33. If I click this button here, this shows you my full balance. It's slightly more because it includes my retirement, which I've got 223, and of which $2.14 is left to spend. All right, so there's my entire worth, my entire wealth in all the world, other than $1,500 in checking and $1,500 in my personal savings account, which pays the day-to-day bills. That's it, right? So the next 7 grand will go into the retirement to buy stocks. And if we look at my Roth, you can see where it is at the moment. You can see what's in it. I've got Virgin Orbit and Coinbase. Remember that one share from Ali Tisro? That's in there. So that's how that's going to grow. That's the strategy. Straightforward and simple. Let's bring onto the screen all our guests who are here already. Let's see who's with us. We've already got 21 in the stream. Over there on TikTok, good morning to all of you. Lovely to see you all. If you want to join the main show, I'm here on youtube.com/at Martyn Lucas Investor. Links in the profile, or just go to YouTube and type Martyn Lucas Investor. That's what this screen is here. If you click the star there and become one of my subscribers on TikTok, you get exclusive benefits. We have cash prize giveaways every Friday. That's free to enter free for all. You don't need to be a subscriber for that. But you get extra perks and benefits, extra exclusive content only for you. I answer your questions, make videos on the stocks for you, and so on and so forth. And follow you back and reply to all your questions. Okay, getting back to YouTube. Let's bring everybody into the chat right now. Let me see how many people have got in here so far. 27 already through the stream. Brilliant. This is our position today. We're starting at 5,903. Let's see if we can get up to 5,910 subscribers during today's show. That'll be awesome. All right then. Okay, let's do 1 minute. We've got 24 watching, 10 likes. Let me put it on the screen so you can see what I'm talking about. Let's get some positive energy into the show. We need 20 likes in 1 minute here on YouTube. Are you ready? Okay, let's put a timer on the clock. 1 minute, here it comes. I said a chicky 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 pow pow. Said a chicky 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 pow pow. With the real Satoshi. Stand up, say please stand up, say please stand up. We've got 10 likes. There's 11, 12. We should have 20 in 30 seconds. Let's go. And then I'm going to come to everyone's comments. Mike's here, Krytol. I'll be right with you in 30 seconds. Let's get the 20 like, 30, 40. We're on the way. Smash the like button. There you go, Mr. Mini-Me. Do you think that guy looks like me? He's supposed to. All right. Okay, here we go. Let's bring out the timer a minute. And awesome stuff. We've got to 15. Not perfect, but 16 right on the bell there. Not bad at all. All right. Okay, let's get everybody up on the screen for a minute and let's see where we are. Who was here first? We've got Ali Tisro, first show of the year, and Martin is 1 minute late. No, I wasn't late, but you've got to refresh your browser on time. I wasn't late. Mike is over on Twitch, keeping Twitch going. Thank you, Mike. Don't forget to renew all your subscriptions. I look at that. 7 of you have let them lapse. They've all died on the 1st of the month. You will be out of our first prize giveaway on Friday. You need to renew today. There you go. It says there are only 7. So if you follow me on Twitch, it's free using Amazon Prime. Go and remember, if Amazon are paying for it, if you're using Amazon Prime, which is the free way to subscribe to me on Twitch, you need to renew it manually every month. We have 14 subscribers, and the money I get here, I give away on the first Friday of the month. You'll miss out if you don't subscribe to me on Twitch. It's free using Amazon Prime Gaming. If you don't know how to do it, let me give you the Twitch link right now. And you link it to your Amazon Prime, and it's free, completely free. And the first Friday of the month, which of course is this Friday, we give away a cash prize. So there we go. I think we've just got a new member as well. Ian Jackson has become a bronze member. Right, there we go. There is the Twitch information for you. Back to the trades. Let me go through. Our leader has arrived. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Lovely to have Bill here, of course. On Friday as well, we'll be announcing the Fan of the Year. Oh, there we go. We've just got subscriber. We're up to 8. Someone has just done it. We're up to 8 already. That was quick. Bloody hell. That was very quick. Someone's just done it. There we go. How's the music channel? We are now just over 3,000 watch hours. So we've just passed the 3,000 watch hours. We are a day behind, so we're very, very close to 3,100 watch hours. For those who don't know what we're talking about, it's the Martyn Lucas Music Channel. I've neglected it due to this channel, and been concentrating, of course, on this channel. And what I've been asking everyone to do is open the Martyn Lucas channel. It's on the homepage of this channel, and play some videos. The very easiest way to do that is pick a playlist. Any playlist you like is the easiest way to do it. So let me give you the link to the channel in case you've not done it. Go to a playlist and let it run. We have to get to 4,000 watch hours. Otherwise, I could be demonetized. Okay, that's what we're trying to get to. That's another Martyn Lucas channel. That's not me, by the way. Let's refresh that screen. Right, here we go. So what you do is you click on a playlist, and once you click on a playlist, you just, whichever one you like, you click, say, play all. Let me just pick best ever Christmas, play all, and then you go to the right-hand side of the screen, and you simply click loop and let it run in the background on another browser. You can all be doing it now on a separate browser. There is the little loop button. You click it once, So now it will repeat forever and ever as long as you've got not auto pause on your computer, and that can run. I need 4,000 watch hours imminently, otherwise they could deactivate my monetized account, which means I can't do the live concerts anymore, won't get any super chats, won't earn any ad revenue, and all you've got to do is get me to 4,000 watch hours. We're probably at 3,100 time it refreshes for yesterday. So thank you everyone that's been doing that. There's about 4 of you who've been watching it on loops 24/7. So thank you. If everyone did it for a day, we'd be done. But the 4 of you that are doing it religiously, it's taking a while, right? I appreciate you so much. Right. And we've got the Fan of the Year, the Star Prize. Remember I said all year the Fan of the Year is on Friday, and we shall announce it. So it's the person that's been the most engaged, been here every day, watched everything, liked everything, supported everything, shared everything. Who's that person? Well, my analytics tells me exactly who that person is. And there's a few people in the running, and you'll find out on Friday who the winner is. Asking your question, am I better? I think I finally broke the virus. Up to yesterday, up to last night, in fact. I woke up last night still getting lots of night sweats, nightmares, dreams, God knows what else. The virus is still in me, but I do feel a lot better. Thank you for asking, and I think we're getting there. So I'm feeling a lot stronger today. First time I felt half normal for about 2 weeks, so thank you very much indeed. Belated Happy New Year to everyone. Happy New Year, Stephen. Krytol is here. Happy New Year. Hi, Krytol, says Mike. Wonderful stuff. How's the music channel doing? We answered that. I hope you're feeling better, Krytol. Yes. Al Revo, good morning. Happy New Year. Welcome, Ian. Welcome. Just renewed over there on Twitch. Thank you, Ian. We're now going to upgrade Ian Jackson's membership live on the show. So would everybody please welcome Ian Jackson into the family today. He's just become a bronze member. So let's celebrate our bronze member. Let's give him a nice big warm welcome. Here we go. Happy New Year. There we go. Cheers, Ian. Right then. So now, Ian, I don't know if you're already on Discord, but if you are, during a live show is the only time I can upgrade you because I need to verify it's you. I was already a member. It just lapsed. Well, it came up new, so I celebrated you, right? There you go. You may already be a member on Discord then. If not, there is Discord. Let me open up the broadcast lounge for our members can call in. Our members can now call in. So if you want to call in, I'm on Discord, buddy. Have I upgraded you to membership? Can you see all the channels? You're already done. Oh, special guest, special royalty guest. This was our very first gold member. Not only is he got a gold badge, he's been a member for over a year. He is also a gold member the entire time. This is royalty, folks. This is our third highest membership level, and he's been there from day one. Muzar, he actually is a full-time investor trader. He has clients he takes care of. This guy is fantastic. He has his own channel on Discord. He leaves great tips in there. Very, very reliable. Great information. Very, very good guy. For those of you who wasn't here at the beginning, this guy bought everybody mugs. He celebrated the start of the show. It was incredible, incredible guest and friend of the family. There we go. PMI numbers are coming out at 9:45 Eastern time. Thank you very much indeed, which is 8:45, which is in 10 seconds from now. So we shall see what the markets do in the next 10 seconds. Thank you, Moose. Let me go over to Bloomberg for my feed, and we shall have it on the screen in a couple of seconds' time. All right. Let's have a look here. I swear Martin changes to the fireworks scene so he has a couple of seconds to pick his nose. That's good. That's good. It could be a good spot to do that, but No, I don't. It's way too quick. If I'm going to pick my nose, I want to do it for 10 minutes. I'll have a good go at it. Right, hi, Mike and Bill. Lovely to see him here. All right, let's go through all our stocks. I need to get Discord upgraded. Okay, let's go to Discord right now. So if you are a YouTube member, go into Discord right now. This is Discord on the screen. Let me show you. Go into the welcome all. The welcome all, which is this screen here. And just say hi here in the welcome all. I will then confirm it's you on YouTube and upgrade your account. We'll do that live on the show right now. So there you go. I'm ready for you whenever you pop in there. Okay, we're watching the news and we're keeping an eye on Bloomberg. This is Bloomberg, so we get all the latest information. As it happens, I can reel it into you as well. All right, good stuff. Thank you, Martin. I'm just a small guy. You're the biggest guy. You're the best. You're the best, Moose. You've supported the show. Incredible. You've been there. It's the members that keep the show going, and you've been 10 times a member by being a gold member. 10 times near enough for a whole year. And the support you've given and the knowledge you've given and the friendship to me as well on personal phone calls has been wonderful. Good morning, Ed Nevius. Here he is, another one of our top tippers and traders. Ed Nevius also got a great channel on our Discord channel. Let's scroll through. So if I send 10,000 plus messages, I win the year. Cracking knuckles over key. Well, the fan of the year has been the person who's been here every day, watched everything, liked everything, commented on everything, or as close to that as possible. Who has been the biggest supporter? It's not who's got the most money. Unfortunately, Muzanella doesn't automatically win because he's been a gold member. Doesn't work that way. It's about who's given their time the most and not about who's got the most money, because we know everyone's got different situations, all right? Okay. Let's get back to it. Hi, Andrew. Wonderful to have you all here. Right, let's go through our positions. This is my entire portfolio on the screen right now. Every share I hold. So, and you can see how much. The S&P is now 53% of my portfolio, as you can see on the screen right there. Okay, 53% of my position is the S&P 500. We've got Virgin Galactic is up today, 3%. Before I run through all these, I've just realised the time. It's time for a very, very quick commercial break. Bring everybody up to date. So click the live button. Here's a quick ad. If you see the ad, skip it. I'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. Here we go. Okay, we are back. Okay, so Virgin Galactic is 11% of my portfolio right now. Looking to add some more. I sold a lot, but I'm holding it. Virgin Orbit. I'm looking to sell this when it pops up on the flights. Next week, week after. It's imminent in the coming weeks, so we're looking forward to that. Will lose their subscription benefit soon. Trucker Rick. How are you, Trucker Rick? If you are a subscriber on TikTok, or you're not a subscriber, click the star here, get exclusive benefits. I make exclusive content for you. I follow you back. I make videos just for you, answering your questions. So if you're not a subscriber on TikTok, I invite you to do that, or renew it if you've not yet done it. Okay, here we go. Rivian is up 0.92. I sold my position. I'm looking to buy back some more. On the dips, Tesla. I've sold my position to Tesla. I have one share at the moment, and I'm looking to buy it back. Remember, I cleared $50,000 worth of margin. Let's go down here. I'm in the red, and my wife pays my membership. I like it. Tesla saw fourth quarter deliveries rise 18% sequentially. Sequentially. The 405,000 missing consensus forecast of 418. The figure brought Tesla's 2022 deliveries to 1.3 million units, up 40% year over year, but below the company's guidance for 50%. I just received a 0.07 dividend from iShares. That brings my retirement forward 9 seconds. Love it. Yesterday's news, says Muzanella, what the information you just brought there. Thank you, Muse, for that great information. Great to have Moose back. By the way, Moose, the Discord lounge is open if you want to call in. Right then, Jason, it looks like we've got some of our members here. Jason Fallon, is that you on the screen? I know it sounds obvious because someone could pretend to be you. Jason, on YouTube, confirm that is you and I can upgrade your account. Trucker Rick has just come into Discord. Don't know if Trucker Rick is a YouTube member. If he is, let me know. Jason Fallon. So, Jason is a member. So, what I do is this. I give him a nickname, but he's already got Jason Fallon, so we're good there. And then I give him a role as member, which is there. He can now call into the show. He's now a YouTube member. If everybody would please welcome him in. And the broadcast lounge is down here at the bottom. You can now call in to the broadcast lounge. It's right at the bottom. If you want to call in, leave a testimonial, say hello to your family and friends, ask a question, put something to the family, you can. The broadcast lounge is open. There we go. Trucker Rick, I believe, is a subscriber over there on TikTok. Your subscription is about to renew. We just gained another subscriber over there on TikTok. We've got 6 now. Thank you so much indeed. I will message you later, and I will make exclusive content for you. I will also follow you back, and I will help your channel grow by tagging you in my viral posts. All right, and there we go. Mike's just reacted, look. Excellent stuff. Thank you for welcoming Jason in. And Trucker Rick as well. If he becomes a YouTube subscriber, I will upgrade your account, Trucker Rick. All right? So anyway, coming to YouTube. Okie dokie. So the overall portfolio, let's go back to the phone right now, and you can see we're doing well today. This is our overall position, but there's more than that. 33.2, 33.4 is my entire value, because that includes my retirement Roth IRA, which is where my next $7,000 is going, because I get a free match from Robinhood as long as I keep it. Now, why? Well, I can sell it, by the way, straight away. They don't take the 1% back. But why would I do that? I'm going to buy the stocks to leave in there. The next $7,000 after that, which will be 14. That will all come from my YouTube income and my gig income. And at the moment, I can bring in $2,000 a month. Hopefully be more. If my YouTube channel grows, I'll bring in more. That's my plan. So my plan is to get to $100,000 by the end of this year. I have an absolute objective. I want to get to $100,000 combined here by the end of the year. That is my target. Moose, still buying us all cups. Yeah. Ed, I just found IEP Invest. Let's have a look here. I will, but not today. I might call in today. I will, but not. He hasn't made enough money today. We've all lost money over the last year. No one's buying any cups and mugs. Anyway, fantastic. Let's get into it. I'm feeling so much better today. I'm feeling optimistic. I'm feeling happy. I have a plan. So, going through the stocks, we've got some money to spend. We've got some money. We've got. I've got earmarked Google to buy at 85. It's actually gone up. So I might. Oh, Leah is also feeling better. She's a day behind me though. So she's where I was yesterday. So she's getting there, and I'm excited for her to feel the way I do today. Tomorrow. Does that make sense? All right. We didn't just get COVID. We ended up getting COVID and then a viral infection and chest infection. So it was just one thing after another, right? But that's how it goes. Okay. Back to the main to the main show. We have 30 people watching and 17 likes. So, in the next minute, we need 20 likes minimum. 20 likes minimum, and I might not run a commercial break on the hour, but then I might. So, here we go. 1 minute from now. We need 20 likes in 1 minute. Chiggy, 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 pow, pow. Said chiggy, 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 pow, pow. With the real Satoshi. Stand up, say please stand up, say please stand up. Come on, there's 16. We need 20 likes in 40 seconds. We can do it. There's 30 people watching. Unless I got a lot of bots. We had a lot of bots in 2022. Trucker Rick. There he is. Over there on TikTok. Did you just, I believe your subscription for TikTok is about to come to an end. If there's something you want me to make a video for you, please renew it, and I will follow you back if I've not already done so. I will check today, and I will tag you in my viral post. Thank you for your support to my channel. Anything you want to know, let me know, and I'll make a video on it for you. All right, there we go. We did it. 19 likes. We nearly did it. One away. I'm happy with 19. It's as close as you're going to get, right? It's as close as you're going to get. I'm happy with that. Right, let's get back to, back to it. Walmart is up 0.76. Where are our discounts today? I'm looking to sell some Tesco. When Tesco can pop up another 2%, I will sell the rest of my Tesco and then buy it when it goes back down again. Next Extra Energy is up today, 1%. Enphase is up today. All World, these are my ETFs, extra ETFs. I've got the All World FTSE FTSE, of course, in the United Kingdom. I am considering having this in addition. Total stock market. This is my entire portfolio I'm showing you right now. All trimmed right down, all sold off to start again. Now then, Global X. Super dividend, using this website, I can compare. This is a bit of new technology now we're bringing into the show, right? It's a new feature. We can compare one stock with another over the last year, 2 years, 5 years, whatever. So I will put in a stock here. Let's say, for example, this is a new feature for 2023. Let's not say we don't bring new ideas into the show, all right? So let's say we put in SPY. Let's say VU. Let's put VU in, for example, and let's say VU is nice and easy, 100% of my portfolio. And let's compare that to, say, Rio Tinto. Let's compare the two. So let's say you have both of these, two different portfolios, and let's say you put in 10 grand over the last between 1985 and today. All right, and then you can analyze which would you have made most money on. Okay, so if we look at it, our Rio Tinto would have made us, it would have doubled our money. We'd have made from 10 grand to 21,000, whereas the S&P 500 would have made us 40,000, 4x. The point is, a high dividend stock, the purpose of me bringing you this new service is, because it is a new service, right? It's a new service. It's amazing. Is dividend stocks don't always make sense because the growth is going to be lower. Well, with the S&P 500, you're going to get the dividend plus the growth and so on and so forth. So just because you've got a high dividend stock doesn't mean to say it's free money if it doesn't perform on growth. So we're looking at that this year. I don't need an income. I need growth. I have an income. YouTube and my gigs provide me an income to invest on the stock market. I do not need an income from it. I want growth, right? The dividends will come in 20 years or 10 years or whatever I want to do when I'm looking to retire, then I want to earn a passive income. But right now, that isn't where I am. Okay, so your journey is your journey. Now, Tilray, I took my profits out of Tilray. I'm out. I want to buy back. So we're looking for an opportunity to buy back with Tilray. Shaz says, yeah, but they are generally safer to hold. Long term, I don't think anything's safer than the S&P 500. Personally, you've only got to look at it over time, and you can see over time it does great. If you buy it on the down years, increase on it, then you're doing very, very well. Good idea. Realty income versus realty income. All right, Andrew Grady. This is for Andrew Grady is the first person to use my brand new service. Oh yes, and it is a service. It is a service. And hang on a minute. You have to be a member though, and you have to be at least a gold member. All right, for this service is so good, right? You have to be at least a gold. I'm only joking, Andrew Grady. I'm only joking. Right, here we go. So realty, realty income, which is O, and let's do a portfolio. That's 100% of that, and then let's compare that to Rio Tinto, all right, and do a portfolio which is 100% of that. I mean, obviously you can make it any way you like, but let's have a look over the last sort of 20 years. Okay, you would have had, right, 10,000 initial balance. Hang on a minute, make sure I've done that right. $10,000. There you go, $10,000 in 1985. There you go. You can see now the difference. Realty income would have paid you a much better position than Rio Tinto. You can see that. Look there. Look. There you go. There's a difference. Rio Tinto, realty income, $423,000 you'd have, and Rio Tinto, $10,214,000. There you go. That's a difference. So realty income would have paid out a better deal for you, okay, since 1985. So it's a good little thing, that, right? So I'm going to be doing that when I look at my dividends, which ones I want to hold most. Saudi Arabia invested $1 billion in I think that's Lucid, and the stock hasn't moved. I'm investing in it. Don't follow my trades. Some are very risky and you can lose your life savings. Muzanana, thank you for the disclosure. Appreciate it. I've got dividend reinvest turned on. I don't have mine turned on, and do you know why, Andrew? There's a very good reason why I don't have mine turned on. And I can prove to you that my plan is better. My plan is better than yours, Andrew. What do you reckon? Do you reckon my plan's better? I'll tell you why. If you turn on auto reinvestment, it's good if you're lazy, if you're not looking at your portfolio every day and you want to forget it. If you want to forget it, it makes sense because you're constantly reinvesting, dollar cost averaging over time. It works great. However, if you're watching your shares every day, like obviously I am, then my dividends are not automatically reinvested. They go, first of all, back into my buying power. My buying power is at 221. If I got a dividend payout today of $100, I'd have 321. And what I'm going to do then is I'm going to reinvest it just like you're doing automatically, but I'm going to do it on a down day. Now, statistically, it has been proved that if you do it, automatically you do better, because most people don't have the discipline to watch every day and buy it on the lowest prices. You can't time the market, but I can buy it when it dips down, like we get in the morning before it rallies, obviously. So I'm going to manually do it. So I mean, and let's have an example of that, right? Let's go to VU right now, the S&P 500. If I automatically reinvested it, right, it would have bought, it's going to buy on the open, which is in another 25 minutes. It's going to buy up here, whereas I would have bought it down here pre-market this morning. That doesn't mean to say it's going to go down here, but the point is, on the bell, if we're trending up, let's say it ends up at 353, let's say it ends up at 360. On the bell, it will buy at 360. I would have bought it this morning at 352. So if you're passively investing and you're not watching it every day, reinvestment is perfect. If you are watching it every day, you wait for the dip of the day, you wait for the dip of the week, maybe you give it a week. Just mark it down. Look, I've got $20 here that I want to reinvest on the S&P 500. However, if you don't reinvest it manually, and another benefit, you might decide, say Tesla has dropped bigger than the S&P 500 and it's given you a better option. So reinvesting automatically is great if you're not watching your account, but if you are watching your account, I've turned mine off because I manually do it, so I get that a little bit better. But overall, it probably doesn't make that much difference because as a human being, I'm probably going to miss some. But I'm not a normal human being. I'm here every day. I'm not missing anything. So for me, because I'm superhuman, the rules don't apply to me. They just apply. They just apply to mere mortals like you guys. Lucid, we knew what you meant, Moves. We knew what you meant there, mate. Here's my Lucid on the screen. Wow, thanks, Martin. It goes next month's mortgage payment. In goes next month's mortgage payment. LOL. There you go. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Mario. Hey, Sick. Let's have a look. Is Sick here? I think I saw him. Yes. But you may be better off collecting dividends from defensive stocks and just reinvesting. That may grow growth and grow stocks in hard times. Yeah, I want to say something to that as well. Another reason why I sold my margin, I trimmed down, and I think this is the most important thing I can say today, and why I'm much more calm, happy, relaxed, focused. You know I'm going to get to 100,000 by the end of the year. Hang on a minute. My TikTok just stopped. Resume. There we go. Mirror. TikTok keeps restarting. I've noticed recently. There you go. What was I going to say to that? Oh yeah. Very, very important point. I think it's a really important point to make, and it's the fact is, right? What is your objective? Too many people are focusing on, I want a 10x, 100x, 1000x. I want to do this. I want to do that. I want to make millions of dollars. All my objective is to reach financial freedom, no financial worries. No financial worries to me are different than they are to you. If you only need to earn £10 a month, $10 a month to pay all your bills, and you got everything you need, all you need is $10 a month. So to you got no worries if you've got $10 a month. I'm just using that as a silly example, right? So what we're trying to achieve is financial freedom and no financial worries. That's it. It's not about 10xing, 100xing, trying to time the market. It's about making money so I can have no stress whatsoever and just relax. That's what it's about. And then you live a happy, healthy, prosperous life. And for everyone, it's different. For some people, it's $1 million. For some people, it's $50. Well, in fact, no one, it's probably $50. I'm just making the point, right? So however you get there, whichever stocks you use, it doesn't matter. You could be completely boring and buy nothing but the S&P 500, achieve your goal, and be as happy as Larry. What does it matter? Your plan is better, mate. That's why I'm still living in Truro bus station. There you go, Andrew Grady. That's why you're living in Truro bus station, drinking out of a paper bag with your Karev, and I'm sitting here in a studio with spotlights all over me. That's right. You're dead right there, Andrew. We are very different human beings. Anybody watching this, right, needs to know this is all for fun and a joke, okay? Just making the point. CMMB on watch for pullback scalp. Ed Nevius has just dropped in a tip for me. CCMB. Let me jump on it. CCMB. It's not available in Robinhood. Oh, hang on. I beg your pardon. CMMB. Here we go. This is the top tip this morning from Ed Nevis on pullback for a scalp. Do you see it going up from here, Ed? I'm going to start doing some of these trades now. It's already gone up 56%. Ed, what do you think? Should I jump in now and set a stop trail loss? What do you think, Ed? I want to ask Ed what his opinion is here. I've got $100 that I'm prepared to do live on the show with an Ed Nevius tip. Let's have a quick look. Nice swing trading. My money's reading all these comments here. Always the goal should be contentment, not success. Totally agree. If you're looking at 4% return, you can park your money in Robinhood without any risk whatsoever. There you go. Yes, I like it. Kidakazi is saying no. We're doing a tip here from Ed Nevius. I just want a bit of information from Ed. Are you confirming that you see this going up from here? Of course, we're not holding you to that. Of course, it's already popped 55%. Do we see it running today? We'll come back to it in a minute. It's our scalp of the day. 495, I'm in. I don't think I've got enough money to play with at the moment. Yeah, it's already shot up. Ed's right 99 times out of 100 though. That doesn't mean to say he's right every time. However, what does the weekly? So it's literally popped up. That's all it is from now. It's up 141% this month. Arrival is up 14%, by the way, but remember it's so low. It's only got to go up 5%, and it's up like a million. You know, it's up a million. You know what I'm saying? It's only $18 a share. Seems like we already missed it. Ed's saying 495. I'm in. I'm not quite sure what he's saying. Whether he's in at 495 or. Not 100% certain what he's saying, so unless I'm absolutely sure. Discord is open. If Ed wants to call in, you can. Right, we've got 15 minutes before the bell goes. We've got Day Trader of the Day, of course, coming up. We've got cash prize giveaway on Friday. Special prize on Friday as well for our fan of 2022, who was our #1 member of the show for 2022. The most supportive star prize coming up on Friday. Plus, we also have our Twitch first Friday of the month cash giveaway. We've got 8 subscribers now. Renew your subscriptions, guys. It's free using Amazon Prime. If you've not done it, most of you have let your subscriptions lapse. They don't do it automatically on Amazon Prime. Here is the Twitch account if you want to be in our free cash prize draw for Twitch. We give away the subscriptions we make every first Friday of the month. Here is Twitch. If you use Amazon Prime Gaming and subscribe to me for free, you could be in a cash prize for Friday. Good morning, Nate. We've only got 8. We had 14 subscribers, so most of you have let it lapse. I think not done for the day. I bought at 495, holding over 2 million. Oh, holding. Volume 2 million already. 495. Okay. There's a top tip today from Ed Nevius. Okay, so we're going to keep an eye on that. He's bought in and he's expecting another high. We've got 15 minutes to go before the bell. So let's do a quick commercial break, get everybody up to date. See you back in 10 seconds from now. Okay, we're back. Mike, I think we'll win the 2020 Engaged Person Award. Britmark, we shall see. We shall see who wins it on Friday. It's a star prize. It's the first one we've ever done. The S&P 500 is coming up. We're looking for some opportunity this morning. Virgin Galactic. Virgin Orbit, we're looking to sell on the flight next week. Week after, we've got no date yet, but we know it's imminent. Good morning, Nate. Welcome to Nate. Hi all, says Brit Mark. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Would like to see a new high, says Ed Nevius, for this particular watch we have here. Chemo Mab. That's what we're looking at right now. Hi, Mike. How are you? 15 minutes ago before the bell goes. Now, if you've just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell. Let us know you're here. Give us a thumbs up. Always helps the channel by smashing that like button. Thank you so much indeed. How many have we got in the show right now? Got 30 in right now. Very, very good indeed. 65 through the show. Awesome stuff. Okay. Kidakazi, like it. What do you like? You looking at CCMB? It's a scalp trade from Ed Nevius. Rivian. Tesla. Lucid. Smashing the like button. Liked it. Thank you so much indeed. I get it. I believe my rally, we rally this month, especially for growth. Chinese year of the rabbit. Always a belated random crypto token pump. Anything similar for stocks. XRPL gold token has just popped into the chat. Welcome to you. So if you've just tuned in this afternoon or this morning, this evening, wherever you are in the world, you notice we have the highest engagement rate of any YouTube channel. That's official, by the way. If you go and check, 95% of our live viewers are members. XRP Gold Token is a member. Who is that? We've got a member here who's I don't recognize. Is that Ali Tisro? No, it can't be Ali Tisro because he's only got a blue badge. I think he's gold now. Anyway, I wonder who that is. Welcome to you. Welcome to all our members. There's the invitation to join. Now, if you want to access all our top tips and our traders and be called into the show and be part of it, here is the invitation to Discord. We are very close. It's me, Running Diary. Running Diary, how are you? Great to see you here. Here is Discord. We're nearly at 500 members now, and when we hit 500, we will become a public channel, discoverable, and more people will discover us. It's pretty cool, right? So we are now at 461. So if you've not yet subscribed to our Discord channel, please do. The overall portfolio looking very nice today. I've got no stress now, no worries now. The plan is $100,000 by the end of this year, an actual target, an actual objective, okay? I'm going to bring in a minimum of $2,000 a month. So there's 24 grand that will go in by default. So that will bring it up to $57,000 by default. And I will be buying the dips wherever I can. My entire portfolio is on view for you here. My biggest position right now is 53% is the S&P 500. We're looking at Chemo Mab as a scalp trade this morning. We've got 10 minutes to go. Ed Nevius likes it. Are we going to take the trade? Limit order. 495 shares. $20 shares. This is a little scalp trade demonstration of a tip. All right. and we'll set a stop trail loss on it. What do you think? Should I take the tip? Ed Nevis has given me this tip. What do you think? I've just set myself a limit to buy. Should I buy it? And then set a stop trail loss. What do you think? Ed Nevius gave the tip this morning. So it's a bit of fun. One more button and I bought it. What do you reckon? Yes. Okay, for entertainment purposes only, buy. There we go. I've just bought $100 worth of Chemomab Therapeutics. That is a top tip from Ed Nevius. He provides these top tips for us on Discord. So if you're watching this video later on, please click subscribe and ring the bell. This is one of our top tips from one of our members on Discord. The link is below this video for Discord if you want to sign up and get these top tips. So we're going to come back to this. I've just bought $100 of it for fun. Purely for fun, to see what happens. I'm not going to hold on to it. I haven't done any research on it whatsoever. It's just entertainment. I'm taking the tip from Ed Nevius. I will be selling it. It will be set as a scalp trade. It will be set as a stop trail order. So once it goes up something like 5%, I will then set a 5% stop limit on it. So I'll guarantee my money back, unless, of course, it goes down before I'm able to... Before I'm able to set that limit, of course, but we shall see. This is a tip we got this morning from Ed, and we're going to watch it. We're going to see if this one pays off. Okay? Most of Ed Nevius' tips are good, not always, and it's my responsibility to invest. It's my choice. I just bought it $4.92, and we'll get ready to sell it. So what we're going to do is we're going to plug in a sell. And we're going to a trailing stop order, and it'll be for a 5% loss. Once it goes up 5%, then I'm guaranteed my money, right? And it will be, I've got 20 shares. It will be all 20. There's the 20 plugged in there right now. So there we go. Now I'm not going to set that off yet, because that would be pointless. Going to wait for it to go up 5%. If it doesn't go up 5%, I can lose my money today. That's fine. It's a demonstration for entertainment purposes only. But Ed Nevius gives some great tips, and we're going to see if this one pays off this morning. He sees another pump in it. So there we go. We've bought $100 worth at $4.92. It's dropped slightly since then. And we've got 7 minutes to go. I've set a stop trail order of 5%. Once it goes up 5%, there's no point setting it now, of course, unless I want to actually, unless I'm prepared to protect my loss, if you like. I could do that. If I'm prepared to lose $2 and let it go down to $4.57, I could do that. That way, you know, I won't lose any money. It's an insurance policy. Or I can wait for it to go up 5%, and then I'm guaranteed to get my money back. We'll see how it goes. There is more that were alerted CMB at GSR. I received an email from 10 trader Kevin Vander. Nate got some information there as well. Let me put that on the screen. I just put your channel as a suggestion on Trading 212 social feed. Well, thank you very much indeed. George Samain, very, very nice of you. George, could I invite you to become a member of our channel? First of all, here is Discord. This is free. But if you want to get all our top tips from our traders, become a YouTube member. And this is the link to become a YouTube member. And I return 20 times back what you put in. As a membership to our channel, I give you 20 times back what you put in. Ask anybody that, and they will tell you that for a fact. Not financially, that's not what I mean. I don't give you money. Well, I do give you money. We have cash prize giveaways. That's not what I meant. What I meant was the services I provide to you are 20 times back what you put in. That's what everyone says. That's why everyone's a member. So, George, there we go. Consider becoming a member. and we'll upgrade your account and you'll see what happens straight away. Right, we've got just 5 minutes to go. We're not going to set a stop trail loss yet. Where might it go back down to? It might go all the way down to, it might halve in value before we do any more, but we'll see. Ed Nevius thinks it's got another little run. So I'm not setting the 5% loss just yet. I'm going to set it when I'm up 5%, so I get my money back, and then we'll ride it. And let's see if we can make a scalp trade today. All right, here's my overall position. I'm up nearly 325 bucks, nearly 1% at the moment. And let's see if we can make some money on this trade. Okay. Overall portfolio is good. 5 minutes to go. The S&P 500 dropping down. We're looking. We haven't really got much buying power until I get in a cash injection on Thursday or thereabouts. Wednesday, Thursday is when I'll start having some money to reinvest. It's not there yet. Virgin Orbit, we're waiting for a pop. Tesla, we're waiting for a drop. SPCE, nothing really to trim anymore there. Lucid, we're looking for a drop. Apple, looking for a drop. There it comes. Amazon, I'm in on Amazon. I'm holding my position on Amazon. I like it. I'm 15% down, but I'm very happy to hold it. McDonald's, I'm looking for a dip. I'm out of McDonald's right now. We've got 3 minutes to go. 3.5. Let's go back to our scalp of the day. There it is. I'm down $4 at the moment. We're holding the position. What do I think about Mullen? Mullen is a scam. I don't like Mullen at all. It only ever pops up when the CEO or someone from the company makes an announcement on some sort of social media channel. It pops up. The very same people that invested in it, who announce the news, then sell it off the top. It's awful. I hate what it does. I've made money on it, but it's a scammy stock. Don't like it. You can make money from it, but it's just gambling, and it's very manipulated. Bav Mystery in the scalp also says Bav Mystery. Well, this is our scalp of the day. Let's see if we can make some money on it. Ed Nevius thinks it's going to pop up. He's in at 495. I'm waiting for it to go above 495, make 5%, and then I'll set a stop trail loss at 5%. And we'll see if we do. Some of Ed's tips are good. Most of them are. You can get those in our Discord channel if you want to see all the technical charts. Good luck on the scalp. Thank you ever so much, XRP. Here is your Discord. XRP Gold Token, are you on Discord, and have I upgraded your account so everyone knows who you are? Let me know on Discord and I'll upgrade your account. What's the PT for the scalp? Bav Mystery. Ed Nevius, you got a question here from Bav Mystery. What is the PT for the scalp? My strategy is on, if it goes to 5% up, I'm currently down 4%, so it's got to rise another 10% before I do anything else. I will then set a stop trail loss at it, and that's it. So I hope to not make any loss at all. If not, I'll have a trail loss on the way up, and let's see what it does. I'm running diary. You did sort out my Discord before. Thank you, Leah. Just got a coffee from Leah. You may need to change my name again to match. Oh yeah, I was looking for a new. I was looking for a new high. Thanks, Leah. Let's have a look. I said on the show I would do some Ed Nevius' tips. They are purely entertainment. It's not guaranteed at all. This is my real money. I've really put $100 on it. If it goes down to where it was, I'll lose $50. Simple as that. That's real. That's genuine. It's my real cash. Here we go. A few seconds to go. I nearly missed the clock. We've got 15 seconds to go. Jerry Mooney will cover Virgin Galactic news shortly. 5 seconds to go. 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. All right. A push and open, fingers crossed. Okay, here we go. Right, we're setting a 5% stop trail loss. Review the order, percentage 5%, all the shares 20. Review the order. I'm up now, nearly 1%. No, now it's going down. Hold it. The family squad. Good morning. Hi, everyone. 1.63. Gonna wait a minute for it to settle. I'm up. Here we go. I was up. I'm down. It's in and out very quickly. As soon as I go up 5%, I will set that stop trail loss in, so I guaranteed not to lose any money. Okay, here we go. 474, 476. It's going up. 1.2. Hi, family squad. We're about to do a trade here. Here we go. Let me just... once I set the stop trail loss, we can move on from this and forget it. Let's have a quick look. The overall portfolio is up 0.99. S&P is just dropping. Chemo Mab is still going up. I'm flat right now. It's flat. It's not pumping on the open just yet. So if I wanted to set a stop trail loss here, I could. We'll wait a little bit longer. Virgin Galactic is up 365. Looking very nice. Martin, the kids changed my name. This is Dexter. Dexter, welcome, 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 Dexter. Lovely to have you here. Virgin Galactic is up 5%. I'm down 7% at the moment. Looking good. Very nice indeed. Virgin Galactic, 7.61. Improving very quickly. Back to our scalp trade. Hasn't done anything yet. It's down 5%. I would have been out if I'd sold it. Yep, I'm doing one of the tips right now. It's not paying off just yet. I've got a stop. I'm going to set a stop trail loss of 5% when it goes up 5%. I could do it now and cover my losses, and that way it won't go any lower. I might do that actually, because it's not popped. I'm out of the money by $6. That's the cost of business. That's the cost of providing your entertainment, if you like. I could put it in there now, so I'm not going to lose any more. And then we'll see how it goes from there. Just about to set the order. My overall portfolio is rising nicely. We're at 1.13. That is mainly because Virgin Galactic is doing some good business today. Up nearly 6%. Very, very nice indeed. Up nearly $200 today. Might jump in if it starts to pump. That's the wrong time to buy, isn't it? I'm going to... I think I might just start my... I might set my stop trail loss now, actually. I'm down 5%. It's not dropping from here, but it could suddenly sell off. It's not popped up like we expected it to, though. So let's review the order. Yeah, I'm going to review the order. So the most I'm going to lose is $12 on it, 436. If it goes down another 5% from here, I will lose in total about $12. I'm prepared to do that because I don't want to lose any more. So if it drops 5% from here, there we go. Sell, CMMB placed. So there we go. If it goes down another 5%, it will sell. So at maximum I'm going to lose now is $12. In fact, I might cover my losses if it goes up a bit more. There we go. There we go. So let's see if we can make some money on it. It will sell at 467. 467. And if it goes to 467, I'll be out of the money by $12. Oh, I think it's sold. It's sold. It's sold. There we go. It's sold. I think it's done. Yep, it's out. I didn't make any money on it this time. It didn't pay off today. There we go. Now you can see I bought it for 98, sold it for 93. I made a $5 loss on it. I didn't make any money on it this morning. This was our tip this morning from Ed. Remember, they don't all pay off. I bought it at the right time. No question about that. I set a 5% stop trail loss, and I didn't want to lose my money on it. So I actually lost. On it $5. That's all. I'm out of it. Typical now. It'll probably go up and rally all the way up to $1 million. But that's how it goes. So there's today's scalp trade. This one didn't pay off for me. I'm out of it, but it doesn't matter. All right. I hope you felt that was entertaining. It's pumping now. Not really. Not really. It's not. It's not really. So anyway, we'll come back to see how it did later on in the day, but I lost $5 on it. I'm okay with that. That's part of how it works. Okay, back to the main portfolio. Sorry, Martin, I'm still holding. I will send you a super chat. Hey, it's my choice. Not every tip's going to come off, and that's not because the tip wasn't good. It's how much you set it by, of course, and where you enter, you know. But I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. It was entertainment. Everyone enjoyed it. Let's go back to SPCE right now. Galactic is up 9%. Very, very nice indeed. This is good. Looking very, very nice indeed. Let's see where it goes. My overall portfolio is looking good. If you've just tuned in this morning, subscribe and ring the bell. Give us a thumbs up. Let us know you're here. Why is it up? There's no reason. There's no news yet. There's no news. I check the news every day, all day, every day. I talk to everybody on Virgin Galactic. There's no news. It's just the start of the year. It's pumping because people are buying it. No reason other than that. So I've sold half my position when I cleared my portfolio. Ed Nevius has just given me a tip. So I'm actually up a couple of bucks now because time I take out a little commission from YouTube, I'm actually up on that trade this morning. Fantastic. There we go. Awesome stuff. Now you're up. Thank you ever so much indeed. Ed Nevis' tip. Look at that. Absolutely awesome. Thank you, Ed. Appreciate that, mate. That's awesome stuff. Nice one. There we go. Man, that's a nice average on space. Better than 738. Indeed it is. Indeed it is. Ed Nevis, now you're up. Let's check that trade. Has it gone up again? It's going sideways at the moment. Okay. The S&P. So, very, very good. I'm happy. Everyone's up. Everyone's okay. That will mark me as a scalp. Oh, Tilray. Breaking news. Tilray's just popped up. IonQ is up 6%. So far, a lot of things have pumped this morning. And now taking profits up 5%. I'm out of Tilray at the moment. Gabrielle C is not happy. What aren't you happy about, Gabrielle C? What's up with you this morning? That'll be the last time Ed gives you a trading tip. He. Only joking, mate. Yeah. He won't do it again. Man, that's a nice average. Thank you so much indeed. 9% is not even starting the surface on losses. Indeed, of course, absolutely right. This is just an opening position this morning. Everyone's getting excited, which is nice, of course. But I want to buy Virgin now. It's pumping. That's the worst situation you could possibly be in. Do not do it when it pumps. That's the worst time to ever buy a stock. That's called FOMO, fear of missing out. Meta looking good, sold to be... what's TBF? Meta looking solid. It will pump again. It will dump again. Chemo. Oh, to be fair. Oh, okay, to be fair. Meta looking good, solid to be fair. Yeah, Meta's a great one. Meta is up 4.25. A lot of stocks doing very well today. I'm very happy with my position. Very happy indeed. Let's have a quick look and see who's here. We've got 45 people who are in the stream right now. Welcome to all of you. 104 have come through the show so far. Very, very nice indeed. We've gained another three subscribers. Thank you to all of you that have just subscribed from 902 to 905. Thank you very much indeed. This is my position. We've got a plan to get to $100,000 by the end of the year. I'm bringing in minimum of $2,000 a month, of cash into the portfolio. The first $7,000 will go into last year's IRA, Roth IRA, because I get 1% for free from Robinhood. I've got until April to find $7,000, which I should be able to do, and then from now until April next year, I have got the next $7,000 to find. So my overall position will be the brokerage account plus my Roth. There you go, 33,000 as you can see, plus my retirement is 226 right now. It makes absolute sense because I'm going to get free money, and that'll be stocks that I'm prepared to hold without even considering selling. That's the idea. Okay. Some good news here, just come in from our roving reporter. Ukrainian officials describe Russian military equipment destroyed in Donetsk strike. Good. Ukrainian officials describe Russian military equipment destroyed. Good. Good to hear that. Gold is undervalued in my honest opinion, barring some golden asteroid swinging by the earth and Elon mining it. We love all this conversation. Gabriel, don't worry, if you look at space, it will go lower. 55% sell rating from analysts. Space could go below $3 when I would buy some. There we go. Let's get back to space. Virgin Galactic. Right now, I would have liked to have got a nice little trim here and bought back lower, but it's not there yet. A nice little bounce, actually. That's a nice little bounce. I sell my Virgin Galactic and buy it back lower. What do you reckon? A nice little bounce like that today. I wonder if it's done. I like that for a bounce today. There's no reason why this stock has gone up today. I'm looking at selling my space and buying it back lower. That's a nice little bounce. Trading stop order percentage trail 1%, 1,000 shares, good for the day. Review the order. It will sell at 368. sell my space and buy it back. I'm watching it. This week will probably be up. Next week will reset again. I'm looking at setting a 1% stop trail loss on Virgin Galactic and selling it on the pump. A 7% pump is phenomenal. I can always buy it back lower. There we go. I've set a 1% stop loss, trail stop loss on Virgin Galactic. That's a nice pump today. There's no reason for this. There's no reason why it's gone up that quickly. It will sell at 369. All of my Virgin Galactic. I can always buy it back. Virgin Galactic about to sell at 369. That'll take me completely out of Virgin Galactic. A 6% pump is a good pump, folks. Whichever way you look at it, we are still in a bear market. There's no reason why it should go up. No reason whatsoever. There's no good news. It will sell at any moment now. There we go. Tesla's sold. Space is sold. I'm completely 100% out of Virgin Galactic. I set a 1% stop trail loss. I'm happy with that pump this morning. That's protected my money now. I've now got, in my buying power, I've now got 3,886, earning me 4%, by the way, interest. I've protected that bounce. There you go. Look, buying power is 3,886. I can buy Virgin Galactic back. I'm completely out of Virgin Galactic. There we go. And I can buy it back lower. Today's gain, it wasn't an overall gain. It was actually a loss, but it was a gain. It was a 7% pump. I'm going to buy it back lower, so it's irrelevant. There we go. Now it's going back down again. Can anybody remember what my average was? What was my average? There you go. There we go. So, I just sold all my Virgin Galactic on a 7% pump, and I'll buy it back lower again. That protected all that. I've now got my buying power. My portfolio is up to 33,000, and I've got 3,886 in the buying power. I can buy Virgin Galactic back when it drops back down again. Completely different strategy this year. Much, much, much more protective. Much safer. We're not good. We're not in the business of losing money. 396. Okay. So if I buy it back now, I can buy it at 363. Much, much better, right? Thank you, Gabriel C. Appreciate that. Tax returns are coming soon. People will not spend that money like they used to. Congratulations on selling your Tesla last week. Today is proof you made a good move. There you go. Completely different strategy this year. For someone who wanted to buy all the space, you're going in the wrong direction. Willow, no, I'm not. Remember, Elon Musk sold Tesla. Remember, Richard Branson sold Virgin Galactic. You could be bullish on a stock. You could believe in a stock, but you're here to make money. We're not here to lose money. And I know that Virgin Galactic, as good as it is, as much as I believe it's going up to $100, I can buy it back lower again. We're still in a bear market. High interest rates is the climate we are living in. I've just made a profit. I've improved my position. I can buy it back. I've got no margin. I've got no risk. I'm earning 4% from my cash on hand. I can buy it back. My average was at 396. If I buy it back now, my average is at 363. Much stronger position. Okay, I had to talk to my son. He's boarding a flight. Going back to the army. What did I miss? You've missed a lot this morning. Very dramatic morning. That market profit strategy for 2003, just 10 months late. That's okay. That doesn't matter. We're learning all the time. Tesla makes China boss Tum Zhu its highest profile executive after Elon Musk. Thank you, Church of Logic, for that information. I believe in ACN stock over the next 1 to 2 years. Some information, breaking news here coming in from Church of Logic. Elon is in bed with China. It says market profit. Virgin Galactic going back down again, so we're watching it. Now my portfolio is heavily protected now. Heavily protected. So let's see, as we do have now plenty of money on hand. That doesn't mean to say I've got to rush in and buy something, but let's have a look. There are stocks we want to get back into. The S&P 500 has got more to go, and I've got a big enough stake in it anyway. Chemo Mab, we finished with that one. We did our trade with that one. We're out of that now. So we can close that. We don't really want to watch. In fact, I'll keep it, friends. No, I'll shut it down. I don't need to see it again. I'm done with it. Let's shut it out. Virgin Galactic, we can buy it back lower. Let's see if we can get it below 3. Down she goes. My money is now protected. I sold on a 7% pump. Even though I was out of the money, I was 7% better off by selling it up at 7%. I can buy it back for the 7% discount and get a lot more for the money I got at 7% up. Virgin Orbit, we're waiting to sell that this week when that pops up on the flight, or next week, whenever it does. Rivian. Now then, we want to get some down. Oh, hang on. That's hit a low. I've now got a re-entry point for Rivian. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy Rivian. Buy Rivian, a limit order, and I'm going to put it in at 17.55. Whoops, a daisy. 17.65. It doesn't matter. It's just going to go through anyway. And I want to buy not 10. I'm going to add to this slowly because I still feel it's got some way to go. Good. It's not going to go bust. We've got a good secure future there. Review the order. $88. Down today 4.5%. That's a nice drop. Rivian purchase. I've got 5 shares. Very nice. Right. My average is now 18.79. The overall portfolio looking good. The S&P, I want it to go lower. Virgin Galactic, let's get it down to 3. Virgin Orbit, we're not buying any more there. There is the pop coming in a couple of weeks. Rivian, we've improved our position there. Tesla, 112. My average is 146. Let's do a limit order there. A limit order for 113. Shares 1. Review the order. Buy. Done. Down 13% now. Much, much better. An average of 129. Just got 2. 8% drop. Buy it. That's it. That'll do. Tesla. Lucid. Buy. Limit order. Limit order. 660. Just because I want it to go through. I'm not that particular. 10. Review the order. Buy. Still think it could go lower. I'm down now an average of 7. Nice. I'm just down 6%. Okay, good. Apple, 127. That's got a nice drop. Okay with Apple. Amazon. Okay there. McDonald's, down 1%. Still up. It's not much of a drop really. Coca-Cola still very expensive. I'm going to set some limit orders. J&J is up. I want to buy some more, but it's still expensive. 85. We've got that place at 85. Microsoft. That's still a bit expensive. Walmart. Still expensive. Tesco. Tesco's at 1.3. We're nearly our break-even point now. So we're nearly at the point of taking some money out of Tesco. That's nice. Next Extra Energy, that's up, that's pumping. Enphase Energy, down 2%. Enphase Energy. By a limit order. $261. 1 share. Let's check the chart over the week. I like it. Good for the day. Review the order. 1 share. 261. Okay, good. All world. The growth ETF. These are the couple that I've got to get out of. Had a 1% pop. Let's clear that away. Done. It doesn't make any sense anymore for my portfolio. Sell that. Okay. We're not touching Bitcoin. We're not touching BSV. Ethereum, we're not touching that. Tilray, we want to get back in. How many people we got watching us right now? We got 46. We could do with getting 40, at least 35 likes. 35 likes in 1 minute. Let's do that. If you've just tuned in, smash the like button. I'm going to give a 1 minute on the clock. We've got 44 people watching and 29 likes. Let's see if we can get to 40 likes. Be absolutely awesome. See how many bots we got watching us. Let's put a 1 minute on the clock. Here we go. We've got 28. Let's zoom in, and then we're going to buy some other stocks at 29. There we go. Let's get to 30 at least. Smash the like button. Here's Mr. Mini-Me. Bring him in. I've completely messed up the screen. 31. That was rubbish. I was all over the place. There we go. 33. Nice one, guys. Thank you ever so much indeed for smashing the like button. There we go. Sorry about the confusion. We got all over the place then. Right, let's get back to it. Tilray, still too much. Robinhood. I think Robinhood could go lower, yeah. SoFi. I'm currently out of SoFi at the moment. It's the top end Mac you can get, Shad. So yeah, it's the fastest Mac you can buy. So it's all maxed out, mate. SoFi. My SoFi, I like this. Limit order for 60 shares, 10. SoFi. IonQ, quantum computers. I'm going to buy a very small amount. In fact, not today. I'm not. Change my mind. Canoe. I think that's gone too cheap. Let's look at its earnings. It did exceed earnings, and it could be one for the future. No, I don't feel it. Not feeling it. Rio Tinto, we already talked about that. Where is it in its cycle? It's at the top of its cycle right now. So that isn't the time to buy Rio Tinto. It's at the top of its cycle, so you wouldn't want to be buying Rio Tinto there. Meta. I think Meta is worth getting into, but it's still too expensive. Too expensive. So, there we go. We've made some positions this morning. We're up 0.43. We've got 3,300 in buying power. We're not spending it. It's just sitting there at the minute. There it is. If I share with you on the screen, look, 3,334 in my buying power. That's earning money, earning 4% right now. I'm not in Virgin Galactic at the moment. I'm going to buy it when it goes back down again. I sold it here. Took a 7% swing and buy it back here. Otherwise, you're not protected your money. All right? Even if you're at a loss, if it pumps up 7%, we've learnt this last year. If it goes up 7%, you're better off selling it here knowing there's no news. There's no fundamental reason why it popped up. Just people buying it, right? Well, great. Let them hold the bag. Sell it at the top and then buy it back lower. $3.53. So what we could do, we could wait, or we could buy 100 now and start dollar cost averaging on the way down. That's what we could do. So buy space. I could set a limit order now. I like that. If I go back over the week, it's been lower. It's been 335, 332. Doesn't mean to say it's going there, but people are excited about the flights around the corner. I'm going to hold back a little bit until the day it doesn't go lower. Of course, one day it will pop up. Once that news comes out, it will pop up. Very, very aware of that. Nice pump on Jasmine this past weekend. 351. The overall portfolio is up 0.38. I'm really happy with my positions, and I'm gonna dollar cost average on the way down, but knowing the true value of the companies, and if something pops, take a profit. No emotion, simple maths calculation. You seem a bit haphazard with these trading decisions. Might be a good idea to have a predetermined entry and exit prices if you're going to trade short term. I don't think I'm haphazard about it at all. I feel very focused on what I want to achieve. The S&P 500, I want to add to that, but lower. It's a very big part of my portfolio. It's 49%. It's 58% now. It's a very big part of my portfolio, and we could get a much bigger drop yet. So I want to have money on hand to be able to buy it if that happens. Virgin Galactic, I would like to get back in there. That 7% was nice. I feel like the day trader is back. All right. So, Rivian. I still think Rivian could go a lot lower. That's why I only bought a handful of shares. But I like the company. And Tesla 111. I like Tesla too. Just don't like Elon Musk very much. 112. We'll buy some more when it goes lower. Just got a couple of shares there now. Are you ready for space? Are you? I just sold all my space at a 7% pump, and I'm ready to buy it back now again. I sold it here, all of it, and now I'm going to buy it back again down here. So, limit order. 355, just so it goes through. 100 shares. What should I buy? Should I buy 100 or should I go 200 on this one? No, just going to go 100 at the minute. Review the order. So I sold it at 372 and buying back at 351. But I do anticipate it going a bit lower. $350. Let's get that back on the board. Get Virgin Galactic back in. There we go. An average now of 351 for Virgin Galactic. There we go. We've now got an average of 351 down from 396. So we'll nibble at that again. And let's see if we can do it again. Hey, Mike, why did you sell? Did you sell all of your 1,000 shares? Sorry, just joined. I did, but I'm buying them back because we had a 7% pump on no news. No news whatsoever. No news, no fundamentals, no updates, nothing. It just popped up, so I sold it and I bought it back down here. It makes absolute sense, but I think it might go a bit lower, so I'm going to buy back my 1,000 shares quite quickly, actually. Right. What I'm going to do is I am in need of a restroom break. So I need someone to take over the chat. You can lot selling on Robinhood. You can lot selling. Yes, you can. You can lot sell on Robinhood. Yes, you can. You just have to email them. Virgin Galactic's going back up again. From the newbie point of view, it could be fine to buy back space now as you were holding before at this level. Absolutely. It popped up 7%, and now I'm buying it back cheaper. Basically, I got more, didn't I? My stock was here. It rose to here. I took my money, and I was able to buy more value down here. It's obvious. It's straightforward, really. My portfolio is good. I've got plenty of cash on hand right now. Good morning, everyone. I do need to go and visit the restroom, so we're going to take a very short break. S&P. I'm happy. I don't need to catch every trade. Rivian still falling. Tesla. Lucid. Yeah, you're not far off there, Church. You're not far off. But losses are losses. Don't worry about them. You've just got to go forward. We lose money. We just got to find a way to get it back. That's okay. It's all part of the game. All right. Let me leave it on... let me leave it on this screen, I think. No, I'll leave it on. Okay, there we go. I just need to take a restroom break. So I'm going to just be gone a couple of minutes. So let me just run a quick commercial break. And I'm going to be a couple of minutes. So you might as well watch the advert. And you won't miss anything. All right, let's see how many people got watching right now. We've had 152 through the stream. Absolutely awesome today. Really, really good. 5,907. Another 2 subscribers. We're growing really quickly today. This is great. Very positive start to the year. Very positive. Very, very happy. Are we going to turn red? Yeah, we are turning red this morning. But we took some profits. We protected ourselves. Much, much happier. Let's have a quick look. There we go, the S&P. We're getting some big drops now. We took the profits earlier, and we'll get some nice discounts in a minute. I've got nearly $3,000 on hand to spend. So I'll see you back in a second. It's a quick commercial break. You might as well watch it all the way through, and I'll see you in just a couple of minutes. Don't go away. It's going to be an exciting day, right? Okay, we're back in the house with you all once again. Sorry about that. Just need to take a little break. Okay, how much lower is Virgin Galactic going to go? Project Freedom. Let's have a little look. Likely space will go below $1. Like many in the high growth space, look at what happened to TTCF, and the company is generating way more revenue than SPCE. Let's go back and have a little look right now. Let's have a little look. So we're down very slightly, but we have plenty of money in the buying power now. In fact, we only 10% of my money. Look, $2,984 there. So that's protected right now from all these losses. We're keeping it on hand. The S&P is going down. Love to buy some more, but I think that's got a ways to go. Virgin Galactic. There we go. So we see why you can see now why I sold it at the top there, can't you? You can see exactly why I did that. So I'll add to it. Literally a 7% swing there I've gained because I sold it there, right at the top. So that's good. My average is now 351. I'll buy it below. I'll buy it around about 3, I think. Let's see. Virgin Orbit. We're going to sell that when that pops up at the end of the week, or next when they get the flights, which is imminent. But they've been saying that for a while, but we are expecting it. Rivian. We just bought a few shares there this morning. How much lower can it go? Tesla. I'd like to buy some more Tesla, but I want Tesla to go below 100 if I can. Remember, 100 is still $300. So it's worth noting. What is the PE? 38. 38 times, but remember this is backward. We're not looking at the projections of the next quarter, which could be 40% up now, according to the information that was shared by Moose this morning. But that's 10% lower than expectations of the company themselves. That's at 50%. So Tesla is cooling off. So the Tesla price will go down. So we want to be very careful with that. Lucid, bought a handful of shares this morning. Apple, 125. $135. So this is our lowest price now. So we can buy. Apple is still expensive, but you always, in my opinion, you're always going to own an Apple share. So Apple might go lower, but I can dramatically. That is a decent discount there. So limit order 126. Whoops, 126. A couple of shares of Apple. Review the order. There we go, 125.71. So I need to go through now and put some limit orders in place. So we need to do that because we're setting some new lows now. Digging the ditches. I think 22 was just talking about it a minute ago. So let me go back to my main position. So first of all then, we don't need to do much with the S&P 500 now. It's 57% of my portfolio. It's fine. It can be trimmed off now. So that's fine. Nothing to do there right now. Virgin Galactic is now 348. I wonder what Virgin Galactic could drop to. I have no idea We're in unknown territory right now. Shall we set another? I'd like to buy another 100 shares and start getting up to my 1,000 shares again. We could bounce them here again, couldn't we? 348. Let's increase it slightly. Okay, I got it 348. So I've lowered my average now again. So it's down to 349. I've got a couple hundred shares now. That's okay. I quite like that. So we're not setting we're not setting an order yet of the S&P 500. In fact, what I will do is set my silly prices. So 330. So buy VU limit order 330. So should we get a crash to 330, I'd buy one share. Good for the day. That can run forever. Good till cancelled. Allowed to execute. Right, there it is, right? Buy VU at $330 and good till cancelled. That's there forever. Review the order. Let's set that in there. Okay, that can just live there now. I can forget that. I don't need to buy any more until that happens. Virgin Galactic. Let me set a limit order. We want to get some good discounts now as we start to get up to the $1,000. We want to get to 2,000 shares again ultimately, but let's set it for a limit price, a limit order of 310. And let's call that another 100 shares. Good for the day. Good till cancel. That can run as well. $3.10. Review the order. Buy. Okay. $3.10. So that we can forget about that now. Okay. Virgin Orbit, I've got enough in it. I don't want to add any more. I do think it's going to pop up on the flights, but I don't want to add any more. I got things I'd rather spend my money on. Rivian. Now then, Rivian, I like it, but I want to get it dramatically cheaper. So let's set a a buy, a limit order, and now we've got 6 shares at an average of 18.70. Let's go down to $15, and we'll buy another 6 at that point. Good for the day. Good till cancelled. Allowed to execute in after hours. Okay, that's good. There we go. Buy Rivian, 15, good till cancelled, and we'll just let that run. An order placed there. Okay. Now, Tesla, let's have a look. Buying into Virgin Orbit once it goes below 180, anyone's opinion. Yeah, if you're not already in it, I like it. I think it's going to pop up, but it's not going to pop up much. When it flies, maybe $4. So you could double your money. But don't expect something, dramatic, I don't think. But anyway, that's my opinion. Now, Tesla, I think it's got some way to go. I've just bought today at 112. I'm going to set a limit order. Buy Tesla, limit order, and I'm going to set for 110. 110, I'll buy just one, and then we'll just keep looking at that as we go down. 110, good for the day, good till cancelled, review, and then we'll just keep digging the ditches like we were talking earlier. 1 at 110. Order placed. Okay, that's taken care of Tesla. Lucid. Now then, our average is 702. We last bought in at 650. Buy Lucid. Limit order. And this time we bought it in at 650. 650. Where is it now? 638? 620. 620. And we'll double our position. Not very much, because it could go a lot lower first. 11. Review the order. Buy. Done. Let me just cancel that one a second. Do that again. Limit order. Shares. 620, I said, didn't I? 620, a decent discount. And we'll buy the same amount again. Good for the day, good till cancelled. Review the order. There we go. Lucid. Okay, moving on. Apple. Now then, I just bought, I've got $1,400 available to me still. I just bought 2 shares at 125. So if it goes to 120, I'll buy another one. Buy Apple. Limit order. 120. 120. That's my lowest price. And I'll buy one. Good till cancelled. Allow to execute. Review the order. Buy one. Done. That's my all-time low. Amazon. Now, Amazon, I've got a very strong position. So, Amazon, this is my all-time low, by the way. This is my all-time low. This is 85 for me. It's been lower, but I've not bought it lower. 82. It bounced off 82. That's my all-time low. So I'd buy a share at 82, and that'll just set as my new low. Buy Amazon, limit order. Hi, Mohammed. I'll come on to you in a second. Limit order, $82. Just one share. Good for the day. Good till cancelled. Allow to execute. Yes, yes, yes. Let's lower the average there. Done. McDonald's. Now, we want to get back in McDonald's. Now, McDonald's is very expensive at the moment. It's 33 times earnings, but it's very solid, good dividends. I don't have a single share at the moment. It's down today. It's looking good over the week, over the month. It's over the 3 months we've had a bit of a rally. It's at the top of its cycle again. It tends to cycle, but it tends to trend up over time though, always. So I can buy a share of McDonald's, no question about it, and then set another one if we get a dip. So $260. What was that? $260. Should we set it at $260 and just see if we can get a little bit of a discount, shall we? All right, let's do that. Limit order. Let's not get carried away. $260. One share. Good for the day. Good till cancelled. Whoops. Good till cancelled. Let's see if we can get for $260. One share. Good till cancelled. Review the order. Safe money. I like to own it. No, don't reinvest dividends investments. I do it manually myself. Coca-Cola, very expensive also. Not bad this week, but we're at the top of a cycle again. Yep. We're at the top of a cycle. So let's try and get buy Coca-Cola, a limit order, and this time we'll set it for 62. Five shares at 62. Good for the day. Good till cancelled. There we go. We'll buy at 62. We'll try and get something there if we can. Review the order. 5. Martyn, what do you see the advantage of buying one share over 250 over 10 shares? There isn't. There isn't. It's just stocks I like to own for security, defensive stocks. What do you see as the advantage of buying one share over 250 over 10 shares? There is none. It's whichever company you think is more likely to return and give you security to your portfolio. It makes the difference at all. 10% on 250 or 10% on 10 times 25 is the same thing. J&J. Let's have a little look. Again, at the top of a cycle. So, but it always trends higher over time. Yeah, our cycle was 175, 174, 175 over the last month. Buy, limit order, 175 shares. That would take me down. That's up to $4, 75. Yeah, be about right. One share, good for the day. Good for the day. Good till cancelled. Allow, review the order, and buy a J&J. Okay, at 175. It depends how much that stock moves, Martin. Of course, it depends how much the money moves. Fast money is made on volume. I don't see how much upside in buying a stock that high with limited cash. Yeah, but it's not limited cash, though, is it? I'm going to have $2,000 by the end of the week. Usually stocks that high move extremely low levels, which is why people rather hold more shares at lesser value. Says Church. Google has got a buy 85, so that's ready to go. Microsoft 233. Buy Microsoft. Limit. I like that as well. Limit order 233. 230. Just buy one at that point. Good till cancelled. Review the order. Walmart. Walmart's a good company. But again, we're at the top of its channel at the minute, I think. We've got a bit of a dip from the top, no question about that. Limit order 120. Can't see it doing it, but I'll nudge it if we can. Good till cancelled. Done. Tesco, we're now coming to the top of its channel. I'm nearly good now to sell my Tesco. Take 400 from it. It's up on the day. It's up on the week. It's approaching that top, which is 835. Not far off. Over the 3 months. This might be its new cycle now, because it obviously it's split. Oh, Tesco's just jumped. Right. We now can sell Tesco. So sell Tesco. Trailing stop order. Percentage amount. Should I do a percentage or should I just do an amount? Let's have a look. Tesco. I want to sell this now. Sell Tesco. Amount. It's up 2% today. It's perfect. It's where I want it to be. Trail. Let's have a look what it did here. 818. 820. 23. 818. So what's that? That's a 5 cents. A 5 cents trail. Whoops. Can you do 5 cents? Yes, you can. Shares. 51. I'll keep one share left. Good for the day. Good till cancelled. Oh, good for the day if I do a stop trail. There we go. So it can drop 5 cents. If it drops 5 cents, it'll go down to 8.18, which would be a few cents less than where I am now. However, I've made the profit on my dividend, which is the only reason why I bought it in the first place. And it's at top of its cycle now, so I'm happy with that. It's got a 5 cents drop. Trail that, good for the day. So that can just run. If that runs up, if it goes down to 18, it will sell. But either way, I'll have some money out of that, and I'll keep one stock left. I'll keep one in the game. So review the order. So it will sell at 8.23. But with the dividend I made, I'm happy with it. Review the order. Okay, sell. And that'll give me some more buying power. Excellent, excellent. Moving on. Next Extra Energy. Oh, great. We're down. So I want to buy some Next Extra Energy. I like this. These are all the companies that I'm getting back. It's the top of a run, though. It's the top of a cycle. But I like this one. It also brings a dividend yield as well, and it's what I'm interested in. So we are down at the moment. So let's buy limit order. Limit order. I've got $179. Limit price 84. Make sure I get it in. Shares. I'll buy 268. Review the order. 84. Buy. Done. Okay, that's lowered my average. Very nice indeed. I'm back in solar. I like that. Very, very good indeed. Okay. That's my money invested right now. Now then, Vanguard All World, Vanguard Total Stock Market, Vanguard Growth ETF. I don't need this stock anymore. I'm going to clear this one out. Sell all that. I don't want that anymore. Let's get rid of that. And then I'll come on to our crypto. Now then, Tilray, we want to buy back in. Oh, did something just buy? Let me just check a minute. Something might have gone through. Received your order to buy. Hasn't gone through yet. Rivian. Tilray, we're looking for an opportunity. Go back to our main portfolio at the minute. We're just down 0.08. Tesla, we received your order to buy. That's not gone through yet. Lucid. Apple. These are all my notifications of what's just come through. We've received McDonald's. Coca-Cola, J&J, Microsoft, Walmart, Tesco's, Next Extra Energy, and there we go. Okay, we're up to date now. Portfolio's growing again. They are on. You just commented. They are on. What is the difference between Extra and Enphase? They're both in the same. They're both in the same industry, but of course, they're different because Enphase Energy, Next Extra pays a dividend, and it's a different company though. It's completely different. It's just in the same field. That's all. I like to diversify a little bit over those two things. Enphase Energy is just really expensive at the moment, that's all. 43 is the PE for Next Extra, whereas 128 is the earnings for Enphase. Enphase is fantastic, but it's very expensive at the minute. That's the only trouble. We're trying to get back into Meta, but we haven't got any funds available for it yet. Rio Tinto, we've already established you can make more money, the S&P 500, than you can with that. I'll help you grow your channel too, Shad, if you want, that is. What is it Mike needs? What is it Shad needs? You need support, Shad? Rumours are coming out of space. I repeat, rumours are coming. Yeah. Well, I've not seen any rumours yet, Alex, and I'm on it all the time. There's a lot of gossip and stupid talk, but not actual rumours based on evidence. Tilray, I think we got another drop coming. Oh, okay, mate. I just want to make sure that we support everybody. So I'm really happy. My portfolio is rebalanced, restructured. We're at 33 grand. I've got some money in buying power. I took some profits from Virgin Galactic. I'm buying back lower. I've got buy orders for all my stuff placed at silly prices, but you never know. I might get it. How low did Virgin Galactic go then? It went as low as 344. I've got it 310. But I've still got 200 shares in it, so I'll add to it when it goes lower. It's not a problem. I'm still in the game. Tesla, I got an order at 110. Any help is never expected, but greatly appreciated. Shad, we can feature your channel on the show. I've never. Have you got a YouTube channel? I thought you were focusing on Facebook, but I can gladly promote your YouTube channel for you live on the show on Members Day on Friday. Happy to do that. Oh, wouldn't it be nice if I can get Coke? Coke is 62. Got orders placed everywhere. And I'll have more money to spend on Thursday when I get paid. Anyway. Let me see the overall. Let me go to Discord. Anybody need upgrading today on Discord? The broadcast lounge is open if anybody wants to call in. I think we'll wrap up the show now and do Day Trader of the Day. We're just 2 away, actually. Be really kind of cool. If we get to 40 likes before we end the show, we're gonna do Day Trader of the Day now. So if you've just tuned in, subscribe, ring the bell. I'll share with you on the screen. We've got 38 likes. If we can get 40, that'd be absolutely awesome. Look, let me show you. 39, look at that. Absolutely awesome. 39 likes. Awesome stuff. We've only got 31 watching, so it'd be very, very hard for anyone to if we could... Oh, 41, we've done it. Wow, 41 likes. Thank you very much indeed. Thank you, guys. 42. We're killing it. Absolutely killing it today. Absolutely great. Brilliant. Thanks for that. We've gained some more subscribers as well with 5,908. That's growing nicely. Brilliant. Now, if you want to be in our cash prize draw for Friday and you're not in it, and you want to be in our cash prize draw, just let me know in the chat. 197 through the show. We only need 3 more people through the show to get to 200, and then we can end the show, because we always try to get 200 through the show if we can. Day Trader of the Day coming up in a few minutes' time. So get your money ready. Get your positions ready. That'd be awesome. Thank you for those of you that watch me today on TikTok and those that watch me on live Streamer Cafe as well. Thank you to all of you. Great to have everyone's support. Love it. All right. Let's focus on day trader of the day now. Good job, family. I plan to get weekly content on YouTube starting in a few weeks. Awesome. We'll be here to promote and help you. There will be no delays with space. I repeat, no delays with space. Alex, where are you seeing this? Because I actually speak to people at Virgin Galactic. I get all the wires. I research it all day, every day. Where are you getting information from? I believe you are right. There's no delays, but where you're saying it like as if you know. Is there any evidence of that? If you've got any evidence, please let me know. But I'm building my position. I took the profit this morning, but I'm building it back in again. 2023, I want to push more on my other platforms as well as Facebook. Remember, using our live Streamer Cafe for free, Shad, you can multi-stream like I do in 20 different places. If you want to use Restream or Ecamm Live like I do, if you use my referral, you get a discount. It's on my All Links button, by the way, if you've ever checked that out. Here it is. Here's my Ecamm Live referral. I get a kickback, you get a discount. So everybody wins, right? There is the Ecamm Live. If you want to restream to, like, I don't know, 20 places at once, which is what I do, there's Restream and there's my referral. The same thing, you get the discount and I get a kickback. I have a contract with Meta for my live content, but allowed to do lots of other things on other platforms too. Okay. I didn't get any contract. You're obviously very posh. Very posh. I got nothing on Facebook. I plan to get weekly content on YouTube starting in a few weeks. Good luck. Good luck. We'll help you with that. Maybe I can help you by donating some of my NFTs for you to give to your live viewers. Sounds very nice. XRP, how can we help you? How can we promote you? Glad to help anyone. I've got NFTs, never been successful with it, I have to be honest though. Never been successful, if I'm totally honest. Read the second half of my comment, Martin. Thanks, Gold Token, don't think. What was the second part? The second part was, I plan to go weekly on YouTube starting in a few weeks, but allowed to do lots of other things on other platforms too. I think I've covered it all. Can't restream. I'm contracted as a partner of Meta, but can do non-gaming things like live elsewhere or pre-recorded content. Well, that's one of the things you can do on Live Streamer Cafe. I think if you're a bronze, silver, or gold, it's one of the subscriptions. It's like $1 a month. I think it's really cheap. You can actually have your content streaming, either a video that's looping or a playlist that's looping, and it gets you subscribers without doing anything. Look, I'll show you what I mean. I am obviously live on Live Streamer Cafe now. That's why I'm green, right? You go into my lounge and I'm broadcasting this stream. These other people, my music channel, look, my music channel and these other people, look, they're streaming Deja Views, which we like to call Deja Views. And if you click on one, let's say I'd click on Tom, right? Click on Tom, for example, go to his lounge. Look, his actual YouTube channel is running a playlist. Look, it opens up so people can actually subscribe to his YouTube channel directly from this channel. And it runs, he gets views, subscribers, likes, comments all the time. And he's on the gold plan. I think he pays $3 a month, but I think from $1 a month you can have that service. Pretty cool, right? Anyway, or maybe I'll get my guitar out. And you can have more than one stream. I have two. I have my investor channel, so people that follow that, and I have my other one, of course, my the music one. So there you go. Churchy, how is the music channel going? We're up to 3,000 watch hours, but we are one day behind. I think we're going to be at 3,100 by tomorrow. So we are moving forward. We were at 2,700, guys, remember? 2,600. So we've made it like 400 watch hours. So we haven't got to 4,000 yet, but we are doing very well. So just go to the music channel, click a playlist like I'm doing now. It can run in the background. I've been having this running in the background while I'm doing my main show. So you open another tab, click a playlist, and then click this loop button here. And this has been running while I've been doing the show in the background. You can all do it while you're watching me right now. See, look, Tom's video, Shad. How cool does that look? He's got his videos playing there, you know, about his show. Look, really cool. Anyway, let's do day trader of the day. Let's bring everybody up to date. The portfolio is now looking green. I've got buy orders everywhere. I'll have cash on Thursday. Hopefully, a couple of grand if everything clears on time. To add to what I've done today. So all good. My buying power, as you can see, is 2,305, but pending orders 2,209. So all that money is earning me interest still. Earning 4% interest, ready to deploy on all-time lows. Dig the ditches. We always talk about that. Right. Let's do day trader of the day right now. Okay. So let's bring everybody up to date. Press the live button. There we go. And here we go. Right back after a 10-second break, and we'll do day trader of the day. Here we go. Okie doke. We're getting a bit of a nice little rally now. The S&P is coming back up again. Trying to buy at 330. The Virgin Galactic, we sold at the top. We're trying to buy some more at 310. Our average is now 349. Very, very nice indeed. Church has got a run. Remember, I'm out of the market right now and only trading in my IRA. Yeah, I'm ready to buy back the IRA, or buy into my IRA over the next few months. With new money, you can't use the money you've got from stocks. You've got to bring in new money, which I'm intending to do. Take care, church. Right, I'm up again already on my investments this morning on Virgin Galactic. I'm up 0.2. I'm not going to scalp trade it this time. I could sell it all again, but I'm not going to. I'm up $1.38. I'm going to add to that now, unless for no reason we've got up to 7% again, and I'll sell it again. It absolutely right. I mean, I should do that. It's a responsible thing to do, taking profits wherever we can. We are still in a very bear market, all right, and very high interest rates, and they're going to get higher too. So we want to take profits wherever we can. Right. Day trader of the day. Go to your main positions. I'm up 0.2. Let's do it right now. Here we go. Okay, I'm up today. Up, and I'm up 0.18%. There we go. And let's put a 1 minute on the clock when our first traders start putting their information on the screen. We'll put a 1 minute up. 203 through the stream. Excellent stuff. So we are perfect to take a break for this morning. Okay, here come the scores. Stephen Lewandowski, you've been quiet this morning. How are you? How are you? I'm at 0.18 at the moment. That's hopefully rising again soon. Stephen Lewandowski goes into the lead, up 0.96. Very nice indeed. Any advances? Up 0.63-ish. Stephen Lewandowski still holds position. Brickmark is up 0.77. Nice to see everybody starting the new year up, which is great, right? wasn't up a lot more, says DJ Speed. A few seconds to go. The winner so far, unless anyone posts in the next few seconds, will be Stephen Lewandowski is up 0.96. That looks like the winner. Okay, I think we're going to call it. We've got 23 watchings. There's plenty of people here to watch to give their scores. But I think we're going to give it to Stephen. Thank you for your honest trade. Give him a big thumbs up. And let's give him the sound effects. All right, here we go. There we go. Nice one, Stephen. Very good indeed. There we go. Right. Looks like a few people are behind the stream right now. But anyway, we're going to wrap up our show this morning. Very, very happy with that. Good day. We're up. We've got some buy orders in. We took some profits out of Virgin Galactic. We did a scalp trade this morning and didn't make any money on it, but it was a bit of fun to do it anyway. I got a super chat back anyway, so it worked out kind of good for me anyway. So I was very lucky with that. We've lowered our averages on everything. We've got our averages now 1879 on Rivian. We've got an average of 129 on Tesla now. We've got an order at 110. An order at 110 on Tesla. Look, is it going to go 110? I've got an order on 110 on Tesla. Let's just wait a minute, see if it goes through. This will be great. This will bring my average down. Just one share. There we go. Order Tesla. Tesla. Bought a share Tesla at 110. Very nice indeed. There you go. Order's gone through at 110. All right. Great. So we'll set a buy order now. Want to own some Tesla. I've now got 1, 2, 3 is my average. Buy Tesla. Limit order. What should we set it now? What should we set it for now? 105? What do you reckon? 105? Shall we get greedy? Of course we should. Limit order 105. I'm not going to go dramatic on it because I do like it at this price. I do want to add to it. Shares. Let's buy another one. Good for the day. Good till cancelled. Allow to execute at any point. Oh, actually, I can't. I can't. I've only got $15 in my buying power. I'd have to clear something out, so that's fine. I can't at the moment. So I actually can't. So what I'm going to do is in fact a limit order. You can't. I don't think you can set. Can you set as a fractional share? 0.5 of a share. No, you can't. You can't set 0.5. No, you can't. No, you can't. Shares. I can't. So at the moment I can't unless I clear something away. I could do that. Or I could just have some patience and wait. And you never know. It might go way below 105 and I'll be glad I did. So I'm going to leave it. So I haven't got a buy order then for Tesla right now, but I've got 3 shares of an average of 123. Happy with that. So let's wait until Thursday when I get some more money, because I don't want to cancel all my buy orders that I've just or any of them just to allow for that, because it could go a lot lower anyway. I'm just slowly going to add back as it goes down. Virgin Galactic is popping up again. Very nice. So there's profit in it again. If it pops up 7%, I might sell some. I'm not going to set an order on it. I'm going to take a break and relax, but there we go. we're going to leave it right there. We're going to leave it. AC Borg over there on Twitch, welcome to you. I've got a special offer for you as you're over there on Twitch. If you subscribe to my Twitch channel, it's completely free using Amazon Prime. On this Friday, which is the first Friday of the month, every single Friday, I do a cash prize for my subscribers. I give basically the money I get in subscriptions back to you as a free prize draw. I just randomly pick somebody who's a subscriber. I only have 8 subscribers, so if you subscribe to me for free using Amazon Prime Gaming, and if you want to be in the draw every month, you need to manually do it because Amazon don't try to help you have a free subscription. But if you do subscribe to me for free on this Friday, you've got a 1 in 8 chance of winning a cash prize. And I do it every single Friday. I give away the money I get on subscriptions back to you. All right. Okay, that's it. Can someone say roll the credits? I'll be out of here. Just need someone to say roll the credits, and it's time for me to take a break. I'll see you back for the closing bell this afternoon. Just need someone to say roll the credits, and we'll be out of here. Good afternoon. It was good. And let's roll those credits. Roll them, boss man. All right. There's the credits. Let's see who took part in today's show. Right, Ed Nevius gave me a super chat. Thank you so much indeed, Ed. We did a scalp, one of Ed Nevius' scalp trades today. Didn't work out for me today. I was down $5. I set a stop limit. I didn't want to lose all my $100. Well, that was never going to happen, but I could have lost $50. And it didn't quite work out. And he was very, 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 very decent to give me a super chat, which actually covered it, which was very, very nice. Anyway, Ed Nevius, thanks for that. Subscriptions, Taylor Hamilton. And we got a new member, or a renewal to Ian Jackson. Thank you, Ian Jackson, for coming back and resubscribing to our channel. All right, as a member. That's it. We're down very slightly at the moment. We've got some buy orders placed. You never know. Some more might go through. The S&P, we're trying to buy it. Virgin Galactic is now rising. We're trying to buy it. When it goes lower, add some more. Virgin Orbit, we're out of it. Rivian, we're trying to get some more. Tesla, we're trying to get some more. We will have some money. We should have $2,000 a month going into my account that I'm bringing in from YouTube and my gigs. Hopefully by Thursday, Friday, I should have maybe half of that money from what I've just done the last few weeks. Anyway, that's it. Thank you ever so much, everyone, for being here. It's a good afternoon. Good start to the year. Very, very happy. We're all here. The family's together. Hope everyone feels well. We had 208 people come through the stream, 5,908 subscribers. So we gained 6 subscribers today, which is very, very good. If you've not yet followed me on Twitter, please do, at Martyn Lucas Investor. In fact, that's not right. It's Martyn Investor, I think. I need to update that. I'm going to check that in a minute. That's not right. I'm going to give you the Twitter feed. I'm running out of time. I've run out of time. I'll give it you later. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other.